Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video, and today is day 100th of recording this video. So basically you can say today we have completed century of recording this stuff, and on you can say basically recording all of my day-to-day life. And also basically in the beginning I just recorded some part of my life also in these videos actually, and quietly shared about that how my days went in my past life, and also about my childhood days actually. So I just, you can say, visited, or you can say revisited all of those moments in my mind once again. So thank you for being with me for the continuous for the consecutive 100th day actually. So okay, so first of all let's start today's day actually. So first of all what I want to say is basically last night I slept at around, you can say, 11 p.m. and after that I woke myself at today at 6:30. Oh, not actually 6:30, the time was 7 a.m. actually. Yes, 7 a.m. in the morning. And after that I just drank, first of all drank the warm water, and following that I just got and freshen up. And after getting the freshen up I basically brushed my teeth, and after brushing the teeth I basically went upstairs for finishing up my breakfast actually. And the thing is that after finishing up the breakfast I basically, you can say, put the water on basically for warming, just because today I was supposed to visit the library, or you can say the reading room in the university actually, because last day, or you can say the previous day I observed that I am not able to study here, just like seriously stuff you can say. So at there, and I analyzed, you can say, that I study a lot than as compared to here in my room actually. So keeping in mind of that, I basically put the water on for becoming the hot actually. And after that, till then I basically contacted to my mom, and also was quietly, you can say, busy in managing my backpack actually. And the thing is that after that, you can say, after warming the water I basically took the bath, and after bathing I just got ready for the college, or you can say for the reading room actually. So yeah, so that was the stuff. And next what is that? Yeah, so basically I just near about, you can say, 10:30 was the time at which I reached the college. And after that I just studied about the, you can say, classical mechanics stuff actually today. And the thing is that in the classical mechanics, the first of all my aim was to study about the mathematical part, but to cover the mathematical part, at least some of the mathematical part. But the thing is that after that I realized that in mathematical part I knew some of that stuff actually, but in the classical mechanics, to be honest, I doesn't know anything actually, anything in the sense, little bit of stuff I know actually. So that was quite a drawback of mine, that I not covered all of that syllabus actually in my previous days actually. So I was supposed to cover that part actually. And the thing is that what I did basically, so today I covered the syllabus, not fully, but you can say temporarily, near about half, not half also, near about 25% actually. So yeah, so basically in that I just learned about, or you can say I just revised about the concepts of what the generalized coordinates, what are the generalized coordinates, and what is the basic definition of the generalized coordinates, and how we can represent the equation of motion with the help of the generalized coordinates actually. So, and also, so this was a part. And also one more thing is that basically I just learned about the degree of freedom actually, and what are basically a degree of freedom, and how we can represent the, how we can write the degree of freedom of for any moving particle in any of the dimension actually. And also about the, you can say, the constant motion I learned. And so first of all let me discuss some of the key part of that stuff that I studied with you guys. So first of all the thing is that the starting of the day basically I learned about the constant motion. So basically what do we mean by generally the constant motion? So with the constant motion we just, you can say, in just like simple words, we just can simplify the constant motion by just, you can say, that a limitation on a motion Okay, so basically just like I'm just, you can say, moving this hand with this in this direction. So basically, but if I put another hand in front of that, so basically this limits the motion of this hand actually. So this is going to be a constant motion because this is getting basically the motion of this hand is getting restricted by this. So okay, so this is an, you can say, constant motion, and on the basis of there, basically there are basically the equation of the constant motion. We generally write the equation of the constant motion of a particle actually. So if in the equation there is any type of inequality sign, then the inequality or equality sign, then on the basis of this there are two type of constant motion. One is the holonomic constant motion and the second one is the non-holonomic constant motion. So the first holonomic constant motion, what do you mean by holonomic constant motion is that basically if the inequality sign, basically the equality sign is there in the that equation of motion, so that is going to be a holonomic constant motion actually. So and it is basically the word have holonomic came from the Greek word which means which holox actually, holox, yes, holox. And the thing is that in that the thing is this that in the, and so which the word holox particularly mean by that, you can say what, integrable. Okay, so basically the, and the second is the, you can say what the non-holonomic motion actually. And in that non-holonomic constant motion, the thing is that equation of motion is in that equation of constant motion and equality is there, then there that will be a non-holonomic constant motion. So this is the stuff, and after that I just learned about generalized coordinates and also about the difficulties faced during the formation of the equation of motion in the constant motion. And also the thing is that after that, what, mm, in the generalized coordinates actually, yes. So let's come back first of all to the generalized coordinates. So in the generalized coordinates, the thing is this, that what, basically it is a type of, you can say, the generalized coordinates are basically a form to represent the state of the position of any particle. And also the thing is that the generalized coordinates are independent of each other actually. So yes, this is the stuff, and after that I just learned about the degree of freedom stuff. And so, and so the degree of freedom stuff is this, that it is more related to the generalized coordinates only actually. So this was the whole other stuff that I covered in the reading room. And so in between that, in covering all of this stuff, basically I just, you can say, what I did was basically I just finished up my lunch at near what, you can say, 1:30 p.m. And after finishing our lunch I basically returned back to the lab reading room. And after that, you can say, at near about 4 p.m. I left the reading room for my PG actually. And the thing is that when we arrived at the gate number 2 of the university actually, one of my classmates was there and he was waiting for the what, for the bus, because he was supposed to visit to Bandagad actually. So he was quietly waiting for that bus actually. So he just made us stand over him actually, or nearby him actually, just for you can say, just for chit chatting stuff. And the thing is that for near about, you can say, our 1 hour was wasted when we were basically at the gate number 2. And after that we just worshipped to the temple actually. And after worshipping to the temple, basically we just basically came back to our PG actually. And after coming back to our PG, the first thing that I did was basically, at that time I was quietly feeling hungry, you can say. So basically I just quietly finished up one, let's say, guava, and after that one apple, and after that some bit of churma actually. So And so yeah, so after finishing up those, my stomach was, we can say, partially filled. And after that I just contacted my mom and just informed her that my examinations are shifted to date, you can say, which second actually. So but the thing is that basically first of all I just informed her, and after that I just asked her about the form stuff, and she said that tomorrow she is going to submit the form actually. And after that I just, you can say, went upstairs for finishing up my dinner. And after finishing up my dinner, what I did was, basically I came back to my room, and after that I just managed to finish, you can say, not actually finish, I just managed to, you can say, arrange my stuff, you can say, actually. And also the other thing is that I basically, when I was, you can say, in the dinner dinner actually, so at the time my friend just informed me that our date sheet has been released. And so basically my exams are from the 3rd of January, and the last date of the examination is 19th of January actually. Not 19th, actually 17th of January, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 17th of January is the last date at which a GEC examination is there. So yeah, so this is the stuff that I would like to share with you guys. So okay, so thank you guys for being with me, and we'll try to record all of my day, all of my days, whatever it takes. So thank you everyone being with me, and we'll meet you tomorrow for sure. And also we'll try to, you can say, edit some of the stuff from my database from the past 100 days actually. Some moments, you can say, which I will try to record, or you can say the edit actually some part. And okay, so this is the stuff. Okay, so let's end this. Okay, thank you everyone, we'll meet you tomorrow for sure, and bye, love you all.